Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home, where we simplify all your tech needs. If you're a FireStick user, you might have noticed that the developer options have disappeared after a recent update. Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get those developer options back. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Why developer options are important. Developer options are essential for advanced features, like sideloading apps and enabling debugging. Amazon sometimes hides these options for security reasons, but they're still there. You just need to unlock them. Segment 2, step-by-step guide to restoring developer options. Access the settings menu. First, on your FireStick home screen, navigate to the settings menu. It's the gear icon on the far right. Go to My Fire TV. Now scroll down and select My Fire TV. This is where you typically find the developer options. Enable developer options. If developer options are missing, here's the trick. Highlight About and press the select button on your remote 7 times. Yes, you heard that right, 7 times. You'll see a notification pop up at the bottom saying, "You are now a developer." That's how you know it worked. Return to My Fire TV. Now go back one step and you'll see the developer options menu reappear. Segment 3, adjusting developer settings. From here, you can enable features like ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. Just toggle them on if needed. Segment 4, pro tips for safe use. A quick tip, only enable these options if you know what you're doing. Sideloading apps from unknown sources can be risky, so make sure to use trusted APKs and tools. Conclusion. And that's it, developer options restored. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.